Hey guys, welcome to my studio. It's Andrea, and today I want to share with you a haul from Amazon and Cricut that I put in a while back. I had ordered all of this stuff, and I'm just now getting to opening it and sharing it with you guys. So I had some questions about transfer tape, and I personally like the Cricut transfer tape. It works well for me. I haven't had any issues with it, but I have had a lot of people from the group and from YouTube and just the community of cricketing say that they have trouble using the Cricut transfer tape. So I went ahead and I purchased 3 different kinds of transfer tape, and I'm going to put up a video of how it all worked, what I thought the pros and cons of each one were, and how it compared to the Cricut brand so that you guys can check it out for yourself and you can see how it works before you try buying multiple different brands and seeing if they work or not. So this first one is clear transfer tape for vinyl. And guys, this is only for permanent vinyl. There's a whole nother brand of heat transfer tape, which is big sheets of clear transfer tape for when you're making projects. So we had one person in the group, and I did this whenever I started off with cricketing. I tried to use transfer tape on a shirt and it shriveled up and it made the shirt really bad. But you can't use this to transfer through heat. So you can't use this like on regular vinyl and then try to press it with a heat press. It won't work. So it happens in every group that I'm in. It happened to me, and we've all tried it and failed. And so I will be sharing with you guys where you can get the heat transfer vinyl or the heat transfer tape for heat transfer vinyl. Okay, so I got this one is from HTV Ront, RONT. So that's this brand. Then I got the 3M brand, and I purchased the whatever this is, SOO Easy, whatever this is. I got these all from Amazon, so I'll definitely link them below so you guys can check them out. But I'm gonna, like I said, do a video where I show you how I'm using all of them and which ones I think are worth it, and maybe which ones that I don't think are worth it. So the other thing that I did was I purchased, and I'll show you here in a minute, the Easypress 2, and I needed a bigger mat. So when I was pricing the mats on Cricut and on Amazon, I realized that there's another brand that is very close to like the Cricut look and the Cricut style. So I wanted to check it out and see how well it worked because it's less expensive. And I wanted to be able to share with you guys my thoughts on that. So this is the 12 by 12 pressing mat, and it's called Real Like. So I'm just going to pull it out. And to be honest, guys, I can already tell you it's firmer than the Cricut one. It definitely, I mean, it looks like the Cricut one. Here, I'll pull my Cricut one out. Here's my Cricut one. And it's very bendy, where this one is definitely like very dense. And this is the type of pressure you want coming back when you're using your heat press. So just by the feel of it, this one's sturdier. Like this one doesn't have that squish. It's like, you know, so I don't know. I'm going to see how it works whenever I use it, but definitely this one works, but this one just seems firmer, and it's by Real Like. So I'm interested to see their products and how well they work. The next thing I bought was whenever I was looking at the Real Like products, I found these mats. So these are just, well, I'll just open them for you. These are not Cricut, like Cricut brand mats. They are this other company, which I will link everything below. But they are the same exact size. They fit, they work with your Cricut. They have the covering on them that I'll get rid of. But they're the same brand. They're this Real Like. That's what I was looking for on there. But this one's a clear mat, which is pretty cool. Then you have a light grip mat that is blue, which just like our Cricut one, the light grip mat is blue. The strong grip mat is purple on Cricut, and this one is a strong grip mat too. The fabric mat, your Cricut fabric mat, is pink, and this is pink. And then your standard grip is green. It's just a different green. So this is lighter. This is the Cricut one. But really, guys, if they worked for the price, it was really worth it. So definitely something to think about. I'll be using them. Make sure that there's no issues with the Cricut, and then I will let you guys know what I think. So I'm going to clean this up. This clear one, though, is pretty cool. I like that. I think that one looks pretty neat. And that one's also a standard grip, if I didn't say that. So let me move this out of the way because I do have a bigger box. So I hope this fits in the camera because it's a little bit taller, but I went ahead and got the Easypress 2 because I had a lot of people asking me questions and I couldn't answer them because I didn't have the machine. And so I wanted to get it so that you guys can see how it works and I can learn how it works, so I can maybe teach you or give you tips and tricks of how to set it up for when people come in brand new that are looking to purchase one or just purchase one. Ooh. Okay, so it comes with, of course, the little let's do this little envelope. And, ooh, it's a little heavier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, and I think that's everything out of the box. And guys, I'm not one that wants to keep boxes a lot, but if you purchase, especially from an electronic machine, when you purchase one, keep the box for like the first month, just in case something goes wrong with it, you at least have the box to send it back in. Okay. So here it is. Oh, this is exciting. It comes in like a little dust cover. You know, like your Coach bags and stuff, how they come with little dust covers. This one comes with a dust cover. Let's get it out. Ooh, I like it. I got the mint one. They didn't have the wisteria one, which is my favorite, which is the purple. But this one matches my other machine. So I was like, okay, we'll just get this one. And here's the base, so the little cradle that it sits in. Get this out. I don't know, should we make a project tonight? Should I plug it in and see how it works? Oh, that's nice. I like that. All right, and then it has just like cellophane over it, so we're gonna carefully pull it out. This is the 9x9, if I didn't say, and it's really cute. I mean, I've said it before, Cricut has the market on cute products. All right, very cute. It's actually not that heavy though to like just lift one-handed and put down. So that's nice. Okay, what's this? This Cricut Easypress operates at high temperature. Okay, so I'm going to take this off because I don't like stickers on my things. Okay, that's gone. All right, so that looks really cute. I like that. Now let's see what's in our little envelope here. Ooh, okay. What is this? Okay, safety instructions. Always read this. Here's a little C Cricut. What's this? Oh, this is for on your bag. Okay. Useful links. Definitely look through the booklet when you have time. It explains everything to you. Very neat. Okay. You guys know I'm just excited to get it plugged in and use it. Okay, so now we want to register. So I will go ahead and register this later. I don't know that I need to register it now, but I'll register it later. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and set it up to get started making our first project. So let me make room. Okay, so now we are ready. I'm just going to readjust my mic and set up my chair. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me well. And we're going to turn it on. So let's see. Step 1, set time and temperature. Plug in the power cord, check. Set the temperature to 290. Okay, so it's on 250. So to set the temperature, you click that button and then you go up. Maybe. There we go. So 290, touch it again to set. And then for how many seconds? So 30 seconds. So it's already, I don't know why I have my microphone way up there. I'm sorry, guys. So it's already set for the heat, temperature, and time that I need it. So now we're going to get our item prepared to press. So I'm just going to push it off to the side here. All right. Let me get the new mat. So we'll use it for the first time tonight. All right, so I'm going to slide this off. There we go. All right. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is wait for it to beep. So it's going to beep to let me know that it's ready to go. And then, let me see if I can move it over a little bit more for you guys so you can see a little bit better. Then I'm going to pick up that paper. I like that it shows you the temperature that it is right now. Okay. I'm going to move my scissors. All right, I think we're set up. Okay. So now we're going to put this little Cricut Decal on. So this is just glitter HTV, and it's been pre-cut, and it has it already has a carrier sheet on it. So we don't have to do anything to it, but it's not sticky. So when you cut so close to the edge, there's nothing outside of the edge to make it stick. So we're just going to have to line it up on our own, and hopefully it's kind of in the middle. Or do I want it down? No, I want it in the middle. Okay, so we're going to put it right about there, but I want to preheat this. So we're just going to follow the directions, right? Okay, it says get prepared. Find your surface. If it's firm and flat, you're golden. Make sure to avoid flimsy padded ironing boards. This one definitely isn't. Protect your surface and use your Cricut Easypress mat, sold separately, or a fluffy folded bath towel. Preheat the base material. So we're almost set for the temperature, and then we'll preheat this material. So if you guys have a Cricut, oh, did you hear that? It's ready to go. If you guys have a Cricut Easypress, definitely let me know what size you have and how well you like using yours. I'm just going to kind of move it over to flatten it out and preheat it. And why you preheat stuff is to get all the moisture out, so that there's definitely no moisture in there whenever you're putting your vinyl on. Okay. So now we're ready to put this on. I'm just going to eyeball it, guys. I don't think it has to be perfect, but I do want it to look super cute. Okay, so now that we did that, we're going to flip the paper. Okay, it says position the included pre-cut iron-on material onto your center of your bag. Shiny side liner facing up. So remember, when we cut vinyl, when we cut any type of HTV or iron-on vinyl, it's shiny side down, and you can definitely see the shiny side versus the dull side. It's always shiny side down on the mat, but when you're putting it on the item, it's going to be shiny side up. Okay? So it says, place the Cricut Easypress on top and start the timer, and apply gentle pressure until it beeps. Okay, so I'm going to say that that's exactly where I want it. And I'm going to lay this on top and click the timer. Oh, did I do that right? No, I'm going to click this. Sorry, guys. I didn't read. Okay, and then we're just doing gentle pressure. So I'm just putting a little bit of pressure with my hand, and it's counting down for me. I do like this. This is really cute. I think this is going to make it a lot easier to do some of the projects that I've been wanting to do. That putting it on my large heat press is just kind of like a pain to get out and have it setting. But we'll see. Okay, so now it says it's done. All right. Now, while the ironing film still feels warm to the touch. Oh, sorry guys, I need to flip and press again. Okay, so now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna press it again. So for a few seconds on the back. So I believe it's 15. So I'm gonna press the Cricut and let it count down to 15. I could have changed the time, but I'm just gonna watch it and make sure that it says once it hits 15, I will stop it. Okay. Okay, so now they want this to be a warm peel, so it's super hot right now, so we want to let it cool down a little bit. One way to do that is to take it off the mat that you pressed it on. This was really nice though, guys. It was extremely firm, and I felt that there was like a push back versus when you push down with the Cricut mat, how it kind of collapses. Let me show you. So like when you press down with the Cricut mat, it collapses in. I don't know if you can see that, but like the sides lift and it collapses in. But when you do that here, nothing rolls, nothing comes up. It's very sturdy. So although this has worked for me, this is a little bit firmer. So I'm going to put this over here. Oh, and this is warm now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the edge and I'm going to peel it. Oh, how cute, guys. That worked perfectly. All right. And then it says, congratulations, you did it. Remember, not all fabrics and iron-on types interact in the same way. Flip through the welcome book for essential Cricut Easypress and iron-on information. You'll be an expert in no time. I think this is so cute, guys. So here it is again. It's not very heavy. Like when I pulled it out of the box, I was like, oh, that seems heavy, but I can lift it with one arm, and I'm kind of a weakling, so if I can do it, you can do it. It's not hot on the outside. With my heat press, everything gets hot. Like the only parts that aren't hot are the handle that pulls down and the two side handles. So if you're working with kids and you need something to press, this I think is a good idea. There's a bigger one. It's the 12 by 10. And I'm kind of interested now that I have this one. I don't know. I kind of like having all of the things, but it's super cute. And the plate is really nice on it. This is really nice. The only thing I need to make sure I don't do is set it on the cord. But yeah, so now that we're done using it, I'm just going to shut it off. And that's it. And of course, this is really cute. I think I'll be keeping this out too. I need a bigger desk, right? So I have all the room for all the spaces of things that I want to use. And that's about it, guys. So be sure you're signed up to the Facebook page so you can be on the live on Monday night, the 21st. And yeah, that's about it. More sublimation videos to come. I don't want to forget about those. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that's going to remind you about. Oh, my Amazon affiliate. I will put links for Amazon. I'll put links for Cricut, but I paid for everything that I got. Like, I'm not paid to sponsor Cricut in any way. I'm just giving you the facts of things that I'm purchasing that I like. And if I don't like it, I'll also share that with you. I will tell you I don't like it. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.